Remove the bolts by turning them counterclockwise.
For the bolt that's underneath here, I would highly recommend using a magnetic bit or something of that nature, because it will be kind of hard to actually physically get the bolt out otherwise.
Here's a closer look at the bolt.
Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle. Remove the bulb assemblies by twisting them counterclockwise. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Replace the bulb assemblies by twisting them clockwise. Reinsert the bulb housing into the vehicle. Replace the bolts by turning them clockwise.
It's a good idea to hand tighten the bolts before securing them to the vehicle. We recommend wearing gloves when changing your lights. The oils on your fingers can create hot spots and cause the bulb to burn out prematurely. Make sure the bulb housing is secure.